Do you need to make a data visualization using world map data, but struggling to align all the country names, ISO codes and coordinate data? We've got the solution.
We wanted to make visualizations that were able to show a map of the world and display that data over time. But we found that a lot of the time the data sets that you need from that, whether that be income data from the World Bank, the coordinate data, or even just the ISO codes for each country and territory, all of them use slightly different variations. So you could have North Korea in one situation or Korea in other places. You could have Spain being referred to as Spain or as España, and that created issues merging the data sets together to get all of that information alongside the data set that we actually want to visualize. So that problem meant that the task of analyzing this information was more burdensome, took longer, and generally that was what we wanted to try and fix. A lot of the time people would have to change the data itself, so changing the character strings and removing accents, having to translate countries or finding different islands that you're not sure which country it refers to. And all of that process has to go in just to even try to create the graph that you want to, instead of actually focusing on your data itself. This is just the data to pull the map together. So that additional time is not only duplicated effort for every researcher that wants to do this, and it's a graph that I think a lot of researchers would benefit from making, but if you're on a tight time schedule, you're just going to give up. So we've developed an R package called Worlddatr, and this holds not only data sets but functions as well to try and help this process. The data sets have been cleaned manually. All those problems that we've had before, we've done it, and hopefully we've done the pain so other people don't have to now. And then we've provided them not only as R data files, but also as CSV files, so people can use it outside of R as well. These data sets are accompanied by functions which can be used with minimal input from the user and works in a one command mapping function, so that you can provide as much input as you desire. Or simply put, we've taken some of the manual data manipulation out of this process and provided a reproducible and efficient tool that people can use and save themselves the time on data manipulation, and they can focus on the impactful research that they're doing instead.